Cricket, yes, Okreku, is doing a fantastic job on and off the scene and behind the scenes. I want to congratulate the whole FA, our GS, in the technical directorate. We're doing a fantastic job. We will push on to this project and we'll take Ghana to the next level. Thank you very much.
And Desmond of commodity to after sending team Edin Kunim over Ivory Coast. Play on Nunya, man of the match. Echo Edema, Jerry, a free. Nessa branch and modern ball boy, no, in Penifua, your poems or Mama observing game, no, Wamuji Tum say a idea conkain, Jerry, a free, and a man of the match, no, a man. After the game beyond Desmond of the Nano Sembion to us, so Eka say, honor dear including dear Wenyano, a idea a bebo manoma conkain, no mom the ultimate, ne target, no, and it's a obetimi aje, a competition, no, and so they send in Asientiano.
Ivory Coast, a good team. They had a plan. They had some changes that we didn't expect, but in the end, we had to fight. Looking at all our games, it wasn't easy. I think the goal we give away too easily, of course, but I think we came back very strong and we deserve this win for sure. I had a call with Zito yesterday, and he's been backing us. He's been backing me. He's my godfather. So Zito, thank you very much. I think it's not only us. The nation needs this victory, to be honest, and we are very happy because this will just elevate what we are doing, the work that we are doing behind the scenes, and it will take it to the next level for sure. So we are very happy. We are bringing the cup home, 100%.
And that's one of them come day after Sandra, the team they winning 2-1 against Ivory Coast in the Datuja, and so Eddie Amaya through on Yembra to club issues. Here measure the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 edition. Eddie match week 8 so all across the various centers. Eddie saying this here now results no and Nations FC Eshemiensa against a Vision FC, a Vision 4 Entimi Ante. Emrante Omushe goes no a Richard Danson and a face or Chawete on Eshe 2 goals at Nations and the first home win of the season. Eboa Emmanuel Ekon Kindia Moma Hasafo Ketenefie Bibiani Go Stars Eko Shomo Ekabakwa Omo Entimi Ante Atakumi and Eshe the only goal of the game. Nemom Hasafok Enya penalty essay na Hamza Isa wano Entimi Anshe penalty nenti in back-to-back home games against Bibiani Go Stars no Enzo Edincha. After the game, Mama Go Stars players and officials no omu jubilations pitch side. Send nyoma Enzo Esikwa yenti kakra. And the coach from Paul Mansour's Go Stars they are in 8 matches amoye unbeaten omoda Ghana Premier League nesro nese dodo na no GDA say sene akwa say Western region and Western North omo produce league champions in the last 2 seasons na mediema last season na Samates Go Stars so person de to aso na nyoma etimi konkan enra abra team ni di nkunimi omo team bass mo ba no chief executive officer Edema Boboko no Kwesi Edu oni players no and the entire staff Edin Komo Ewa Basim Nenkomo no say this yet.
Because I said, Japan said, telling my right, and I'm so much happy. Say, we are yeah, back coach for performance on a cow, dress and nothing now. First half, no Kaze, the first half. Second half, the same thing. You say, to get somewhere apart from bonus, a don't say that in 19. You are personally what happy about yourself. And that is why me, Becker was there. Each of you might be proud saying, we are wearing what? We are currently what? The best club in Ghana. Yeah, and what? Yeah, and I'm not going to hear last thing say, you're double aware. Young Lusulo, never trust you. Make no. Because we are fighting for the neck until we got 54. Sharp for listen and well done.
And to where Kwesi Edu come on the players ni di abro omote bas mo omote omoni etre baby omo free buy ntisa na see tie Go Stars we ni against Accra so for away from there still Moma Ghana Premier League match week 8 results ni bi na yento aso yembo boswa na say after has any Go Stars no bechem enso tie fe ne Karela United ekwenti penko a obia entimi ansha ne nyonko wo enzema na say ade a Holy Stars omoni Asante Kodoko enso kwenti penko a obia sha ne nyonko eka baako baako. Albert Amwa in the last 3 games washe goals at the Asante Kotoko na share the opening goal of the game. Mama me Albert Amwa go na a beautiful solo goal. Abrante no kwa na nya ball na se oka wo ho sa on the right hand side or tre baako tia ball no so e de ko nanimu a enya de opa ba enti Albert Amwa na kita ball na oka wo mkosa no baako mienu miensa ora box nim ana opoma shot goalkeeper no enso entimi anya ho hwe eboa ema crop ya enso eteki a 1-0 advantage nanso mo entimi ankuremu a wo mo e consider an equalizer in the 80th minute with 10 minutes to go. Wabra Abrante and the Prince Treneboa Etekano and so the Ama Holy Stars. After the game, Coach Prosper Natogu made in comment on the results. Ochemu say and Anyoma Esia Koye.
I think it was a good game. We played well. We had some control in certain segments within the game, especially in the first half and in the middle of the park. We had some control, and that gave us the opportunity to show a lot of creativity, especially up front, and create some chances. I think on the whole, in terms of how we played well.
And here, Prosper Natogum coach and so the ma Asante Kotoko and Koma on also Eddie Mama me Abdullah Ghazali one coach at the Ma Holy Stars or also didn't come HM say omo mistakes ba kumyonumi and say ba or when that's was going forward no omo besuya na omo etimi improve yenti no.
Fortunately, we're not patient around the goalpost, and that made us not to get the needed results. We made a mistake during the course of the game, and then we conceded a goal. And I know definitely we are playing a game. It's bound to happen. Sometimes we make mistakes. It's a learning curve. It's a new thing that we are building, like I always say. So we have to keep like that. The results reflected us as the gameplay. So to me, it's a fair game. We have to work more and harder so that in the subsequent matches we can get at least the necessary results that we want.
And Tiania Abdullah Ghazali come on today after sending team Metro 1-1 against Asante Kotoko. Game back Neno Diana any Mediama. It was an interesting game. 4 goals ne pie mubai. And as you game no. Nina as a game ne shasi Natch as a Mediama take here 2-0 lead. David Boyson and our face with Derek Fojo. Omno share the first 2 goals no Edema Mediama. Yakoba in the second half na Ediana and Subabete Kana. Abdul Latif Bamba and Asila Streme. Kano and so the mediana and so we're some few minutes to end the game and I send you word and no and I say insuno so jemu pa insuno toy no enye insuketwa entiano Emma empelifo 2 game no e dia beshe and the 9 o'clock and who word na won say insuno na say beku from pa until 9 a.m. and your bebo game but the bone of contention here said 2 teams no how almost here reported Mediama reported according to almost socials no almost a game no aka 3 minutes on bebo. And mama me Mediama statement no na o de toswa o match was a game no you're running it off 87th minute and yabo some the Mediama statement to swa e be clear mo bi ehu o hwemu clearly and also edemu a Mediama for ne about 87 minutes enti se e ba enda 3 minutes plus added on time na Ediana for no so say game le dey you're running it off almost a bebo game na aka 10 minutes to play. The course in Italy, you name the best there. Oze, when I send you uncle, you name your best say 2-2. Mediama say or mama 87. And one of free. Debbie say a rendo. It's way to finish. And you back a to finish. Oh, okay. I brought for none wakano to finish. And Ediana say omunim say 10 minutes naka. Mediama so say I can 3 minutes, but the all referee ne reports on the referee ne clock ne so no and ye de be adwuma. Other results young apostles say share back on Emma Dreams FC and so entimi antia Daniel Ajigbodi and share the only goal of the game boa Emma Neoma Konkan Heart of Lions 1 and Swatreman FC 0 sana and also ekoko wiwe ya Samate senso share back on Emma Brekum Chelsea woman so entimi ante after the game no dinama do coach of Samates or the name to just say eyadia victory the omanya na ne players ni bia starting nya collapse ni ade I say careful for instance omo de show mo trim say preparations ni de omo ye ni na no they are doing it without these players so they ain't no
trying to plan life without him. It's possible he will be going to Inshallah the local blasters and they will be traveling. He could get an offer. So what do we do? So we have to plan life without him, and that is how you prepare a team.
And Tiani no dina medun come on so the about full time adia can be an but mama table no Yemba Bosona has for no who baby omoda. Na ye who the ono so that table the show. The other show doubtedly a BPN Gold Stars. Ono abo a total of 8 games, 18 points no wetimi afa. Enya di obia enso di nechiaka from Kodoko. Abo a 7 matches or 15 points and a face mediama. And a Nations FC Twaswa 14 points and 13 points. Oh, we House of Folk omo at the 12th positioner. Omo 9 points from 8 games. Sa and also AC etia hono. Minti yedisi na fancy abani ya kwama na nene yako share the air so definitely Barca and so ebetre the teams e more de Chelsea, Barcelona, ADMBU.
Now the yaka home
Chelsea, Barca,
Paris Saint-Germain,
PSG.
Now the Ebia
Man U.
Ose
Man U.
And what me the account?
So we against man Man U more de.
But unna ma kwa be me ya. Say your boy are your boni and mama you for about
Chelsea.
And also my be share.
Chelsea.
Me share no be share na me say.
Man U be Chelsea.
O ma so team na ye na team na ye. Benya Pochettino na to bench.
Man U be Chelsea.
And I make sure say enya Poch wo.
I am telling you, Man U be Chelsea.
And also be san shebo.
So me o mo kitei.
And am so be san shebo.
Oh,
Edruwa.
Say chiwinefo.
Okay, there menya kati o ma say suit through here ya kati fa wa.
Oh, but only mama odi fufuro.
Me.
Dada fine boy.
Oh,
Allah. Dada supreme. Dada supreme.
Bye.
Dada fine boy.
But so where there?
Oh, me say Dada fine boy. Baby I come.
We can know some fro. But na mas one shepa.
Me aware.
Na mas one shepa.
Dada supreme.
E da me ask baby be fine.
Dada supreme.
Skadi say be toy.
Dada supreme. Oh, me to so am sorry. But why so cushy no? Oh, yeah, let me
say by this week be I was say me we.
Sir. This week be.
Ba ma say ma catch no.
Watch it.
The match me the sma
catch. Afa Shadrack Suba ni bi.
Me black stars so me start here.
Kakra.
Me slow start.
Into nya chance here na.
Ba me chance so mo be say ka so nya botre na be break.
Heat na I know what's wrong. Oh, Dada supreme. Yanko.
Yes, you can hear to Toano and Ano Pediama yet for our primary house. We can Chamuna Chasaniuma woman said Jumedi outdoor and also about so a baby Cabades Cassan last week in Inano. You can also Uram and some now Italy or Jumediano and some Dabi Italia in Tamalan Timino and some now fear and woman Juventus Omugama and also about Omoba for Adiaba couldn't say who can't the last Ayabes and 9 matches Ababakua. Your fans in Tamalan. So our fear team no when captain and fans Lautaro when some to me shall go now just a game sayabo and some all Sansu right from near you can say 28th of February at the Banning Lautaro and to me shall go and some resume concerns at Yamasaita your fans Inter and what game and also Barcelona and I have 4 final Copamo now Ajiba couldn't say Inter Bobokono Yababenya branch of Piotr Zielinski or no and some Asha penalty Emma Inter Dujan Flava Jabba was stop Timothy and some not a second game no and answer second go Emma Jure Bobo Kono Harek Megatarian and some other level pagan Emma Gamri 2-2 a branch of says Zielinski Ebium and some Nasasha penalty to Enra one more first half area na just Inter Shami and Sama Jure Timono one some Matimumi no I'm second half now Danzo Dumfries Asha 4th goal will be on some Amarie Yawi say Canon show test Abateria Toso me and Saturday Toso and some matches and what game no one some about 4 hours so much anymore yet day update Emma yet for an anno pay and some our show some me akotana you find it down first and after the game down first and some Kasai was say Odiri about so what enough here and some consider 4 goals our broad game no and some Dabi Italia not just one hour from the mom the best one can you say you're fortunate and what game and some Barcelona you know some after the game in Tamalan, I could have found a Danzo and some Kasai.
We controlled the game almost the whole game, but in some moments we were not really clean. 4 goals to consider in a game like this is of course too much. If you come ahead with 2 goals, then you have to finish the game. And unfortunately, we couldn't take the win from our side. We controlled the game almost.
Yes, and no, I am some dance or down face, and I'll tell you, Casa, your dinner accepts Emma, your tip for an annual pay, and some our show, some no Casa Catana, your fan some Mario Bawa Balotelli, Sababa Drew, a yet Genoa, and then a medical Ababaso, because where I am come on to more than 2 months and I just a Balotelli, Genoa, Comodiano, and no some Abaso, the Aminian Center, were medical, and I'll pay the Amat Genoa Timino, were passing Quadia Balotelli and one Timino, one of signing contract until 2020 and we are 2025 at the Amasaita. Your fan side Genoa Arches and some banning no seminal. Yet the amateur for right from Italy, young one hour near and some France Le Classique and some Bas Anwa. Yet the candy at one himself Paris Saint-Germain since best at 2015 or more game and some our start Laurent Valadroma. Yamomo supporters and Kwawe and Kiway and some game and Chese Bobo Kevin so no woman some manager some more advantage na swing na chanwa aye first half ana Luis Enrique and some we are Juan Eritia Bobokua your fans Olympic Massa anwa no Joao Neves about first goal Leonardo Bellardi about on goal and Bradley Bacola about 40 minutes away na Sam woman so we game no about 20 minutes and I mean hurried and some red card and to right at Sonoma consider first goal no woman at the numerical advantage and some other ball game area yeah mama say omu PNL supporters adama tima you found some so for on fu na omo dum come our bonteno shaka be emo adomo kan nyina say baby omu furu ba no ya na kwan wa now, Omono, woman, your season ticket holders, Bako Quadie, was one of why season ticket holder for 14 years, and now for the first time, one of Abba Stadium, Arches, Yamo, Boy, not as a first half, or Confuno, we answer for the first time in 14 years, ABAC amateurs, one of Sunny Pano, one of some P. Free Stadium, one of my season ticket holder, yet they update Emma Family Piashi, one so team, about to fear, yes, supporters no ultras no best 200 alcohol 300 woman some abeshia aye team no and some our kwan so eno ye nia ye kan so Royce and supporters no be ma aye bobo kona kwaba to shark mametema e Barca Paris Saint-Germain woman supporters asoja woman adema Luis Enrique and some other chese team na kwaba omuni and some akwakoya Jumaden and some our Marcel our brani no and some my update aba honsam ye de you for an annual pay and some our shows and what Liverpool team no woman so kwawe now Omobo 2-2 and what Arsenal team no will be himself from 2 goals up there Arsenal and some Ababarini gamer and some Barcelona in fact Aquadena your friend Bukayo Saka and I know Gem man of the match our the Modema Saka and some ball and one match no now just and a Motombo and some our sur ebium I branch over said declare Rice and some other Kotuka say I friend one game at Toso Makumako 250th our near can say Premier League not just from West Ham Edinburgh Arsenal while both Premier League matches no makumako 250 just anyone was same a proud moment at the mano now our brother Arsenal early by 2-1 a Queen Liverpool first one take car and Darwin Nunez and Demora your fan say Musala and Roy Keane and Roy Keane our Sky Studios and was say Adeba Kohuna and one just say I know our power because we be only 2-1. Answer 2-1 you okay Emma Arsenal. Woman the born to Liverpool far from answer woman per go. Answer woman serious ebia. Woman some Barry game no. Now we yes now Bobo Eddie Cham Mohamed Salah. We yes any man answer Bobo the attack Trent no ma. Woman I want Kwadabi our boys bia. Woman so bet me up punish at any time. Was say no na ya deba kwa chese no hu ya. Our did pass Arsenal mentality no. And a question mark in sa recipe. Yincho reference Roy Keane Enwa. Now question Arsenal. Woman so a mentality.
And I'm starting to worry about this Arsenal mentality now. You're 2-1 up, and I'm still looking. Go on and try and win the game. But there's elements of Arsenal now, and it's happened most of the season when they get themselves in front. Don't mind excuses about injuries or when they're the 10 men. They all seem to sit back in as if we're setting up for 2-1. We try and get something on a set piece instead of going. And go and get the third goal because Liverpool were there for the take and if they wanted to go for it, but it was almost let's hope we can win 2-1
Yes, and no, I kakaka de Totoano and Anopeno, and some Jama and Manchester Ewa to London Stadium. Wamma West Ham Etrom Academy and Emma United Timono, Wamma some Atia Kamuba Kunamum, Ebi Ebekas away and your true reflection of Gama Enra. Wamma some Manchester and chances pa. I just send in at Enwa and Quay. Now, manager for Satanak and Yamasa can say, when I'm some last 8 matches, Mayu across all competitions. Man you every back up not just 8 matches and you're Manchester and some every new one record back on some man say West Ham and your 3 consecutive home wins and yet Manchester United our league for the first time since 1977 not just at the last 3 seasons and here I baby I West Ham ababo man you ever Fabiano woman some Asha man you at your trust from Premier sir and 1977 and for the first time no woman some record and what coach and fan said ten say on be a one time reference as no enwa when the reference no could do kubu so mo say and timudia mo nyame kan kwasa nti hwam ba hwie yi ade dia mo be ye nti eye a chese di nti na mo de fa e ba ye vanom ye yusu e wa bra bia ne bi enhyira na ho ensom amfama enwa kwa no say na musi implement va nam enye enwa chi process na echa a wo gidi e ba sa di we e di Manchester fonya enye no nko keke hwe penalty amogye ebiam Musa ma Bruno ekodi red card e wa bra sane mani nyina no enye so bonem e wa mu game no so yenche coach ye fa Eric Ten Hag.
It's the best team winning, and today there was clear and obvious, and clear and obvious wasn't how the VAR worked, how they worked, how they run their process. And before the season, they explained the process of the VAR, and only when it's clear and obvious, then they should interfere. So what they didn't do.
Yes, not just a stone, no question marks. At us, Rano, Najumano Shakubenya picture, Mamma Shafi, one on NHS and a bano, yes, Zabi wife, and ye, Yafanu Nuria Kunila, Kunilera, or Bano Koposti, our IG, where you Zavi about not just Washa Manchester Jason, or not just Rabba Cancer, Manu for contact. I yes, Zavi, Onusunya, Jumano Bano, or Bano, and upload to it, and you are to the IG. I just Omocrano as a Manchester, no, a woman jam cacraming and I just and no some mashas about something, no, yet the Emma Chelsea, Jared, the annual coach in Sukai. One of them also call reference and chances what did he about a reference over the annual game, no, or Omuntimin Fowl say annual your archers, and some El Clasico, and I will Qatar or stadium roof. I just also want Qatar so still. What's that Jamakumako and I? Na Juba woman be none of my first and Yanka. Woman Qatar and come be a stadium from the start to the and Yanka Real Madrid ever to me at Jabez and Sia because Lewandowski no as a boy Sakano. Woman you know soon your chances to be signing Lamin Jama and your glorious opportunity. Nina go back in. Atiba Kunasaba Kuna Lewandowski the ball aya woodwork. I can say be a post no. Wouldn't say my coach and fantasy flick. And says yes, what would Dambales. There's a coach in the rough so crank. Woman, you are June Kwakwasi. Jamin second says here and said, all right, and that's our contender. You found Lamin Jamal. Yes, a brain our post match. I don't go to Cassa, right? No crane or Castle, no Casama. One more first half every year. I know when you know who's a Real Madrid or players, you know, when I exhausted, or my brepa. Ain't a confirming story from day one, right after Princess and Medabatuka and Kodana Khan, Namabakam, Omokan, Namabaka, Emma Javi, and some crown in the coaching star, Wamubufi, sir, and the coach of Fanasa Flickino, when a bass about baller. Yabobe say 80 minutes no afena basa for who odinda so gina so it physically and kodano woman ye fit lami yama so mo ball first away anu mu sa Real Madrid mo place no ama brebre no mo kodai ya betro mo ne papa awo diri e basa experience bienwa enum aye great say bia wako obi fie now supporters aye dedeno aye waka supporters overshadow ya ye fan so home am supporters internano and so much about so nyina no aye Bonsa, as supporters and an AETT, and some Benabo, Mamma Lewandowski, after the girl of Lewandowski, and some Dunkomaka can I live for Okaka Yintia Bamamin Casamano.
I mean Lewandowski na make Casano. Because a game no be everything went well and we won. And
yeah, we say you been Lewandowski and some biting na chance yakwenim and cafe in Lewandowski.
And everyone from us playing. I think that all of us on the team, when we are on the pitch, we know that what we should to do, and everyone from us playing, trying to play the best football, and we are going all together in one way, and we know that how to play defense.
Yes, and I Kakra Lewandowski affair, mammy coach now. Your fan Hans Flake on some other Kakra to Giant your bossa, woman coach,
and in the end.
Men Casaman,
new man Johnson T. No. Now, Yababa Subi, one said Jamaica can so runner. Your fan of Florentino Perez, a guy. Name me so run. I disappointed as answer. Would you Real Madrid? I did back where fans of Florentino and some unfair only one grow. I a Champions League final. El Clasico matches and a Ballon d'Or on Fenia Gopakuba Kokra. And to the moment, I send you Mark Cassimi and saying, Obama Bakom, Ashri, a Real Madrid president, Yana Uyo coach, a resume question marks also Bao, Nanioma Akoso, and Chesanoma Esrinano, Yababa Sada more and some Tabancheloti. Was he in country of Yasa Hadia, one or started a year ball when you're 48 years, our football more 48 years or catch it on say, Real Madrid Bomb. In the first half, Naya, Memeka Ebi otherwise, Bopa, first half, minimum, I chances, and Oman take you, Ebium or say, offside, Emma Kumako 12, Achasa, Basa Fonum, and a certain Saniman minimum was so many clear cut chances, 1v1, I was on Madrid Eshe, Womina Makumako 4, Omina, named Papa Pine, Omina Vinicius Pine, Natas, Omo Boss and Nina Combi, and my Real Madrid, and some Aluzusa Gamer, and also Barcelona latest on our container. Your friend say Bumpy latest on Ancelotti. Mike, Ancelotti has a traffic light. I saw red.
No, coach him.
Well, come Kokra. Taxi driver be Bonabessa. Hey, General Massa. Basa show say and Tasio.
Who read none of the Basa colors in the red room to win on the booth.
Traffic light that so red. Oh, Massa, you trouble Kokra. Governor the Pio Massa.
Ancelotti and who actually say that. Hey, Ebro Penny. Oh, Barca boys.
Stadium so many amount 9.
But Real Madrid closed the roof of the Bernabeu 4-0. 4-0.